at Anoka Nature Preserve, and it's preserving savanna oak. It's somewhat sparse here in Minnesota, but there's a few places here around the metro area that have these kind of trees, and it's good that they're protecting them. The other part that this park is preserving is actually going to be newer. They're setting up some open area. It's a little bit to the west of us here for natural prairie grass. So they're trying to kind of resettle some of that. So that's one of our favorite parks. It's really pretty. Kind of blah today, but we had a little dusting of snow, which surprised us a bit when we woke up this morning, but makes for a really pretty walk. The sunlight is just low enough where you get still a little bit of softer light, and the spring growth has been starting to come up quite a bit here as well. And then with the snowfall on top of it, with some smattering of snow, some soft light, and then kind of hitting some green areas, fresh green areas, makes for some pretty cool photo opportunities. So hopefully a few I captured turn out. This is what I mentioned earlier, where they're clearing some area for the prairie. There used to be trees all along this side. It was actually quite pretty before, so a little bit sad that the nice trees are gone, but I guess I understand why they're doing it. But here's the area they're going to open up and try to basically restore it to natural prairie as it was years ago. I brought out the long lens for this leg of the trip where it's a little bit more open. And incidentally, this is the point of the trip where the birds don't come out. Well, I think I got a few bird shots actually. Usually when I'm all prepared for it, they don't appear, but a handful did. So happy for that. So I think some of the other ones turned out as well. So I'll cycle through them now. Hope you enjoy. Well, the snow from this morning, or I should maybe call it a light dusting, it's all pretty much melted now. So the timing was really good for the walk this morning. So I think we got some cool shots in the AM. And then as it warmed up a bit, we could see a little bit more green. But no, it was a good walk. Yeah, if you stuck around to the end, I appreciate it, and hope to catch you again on the next one. Take care.